guys, it's Uniquee here, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys my brand new camera I just got, which I'm actually recording from right now. So yeah, so basically the camera I decided to go for was the Sony A5000. It's a pretty amazing camera. I'm very impressed with it compared to my last camera, which I thought was going to be a good camera, but later on when time passed I noticed it wasn't for what I needed it for. So I decided to look for a new one, and I sold my previous one to buy a new one, which is the one I'm using to record right now. It has a lot of features, as you can see right here. Let me see, can it focus? Here you go. As you can see right there, all the features, 20.1 megapixels, which is actually higher than my Rebel T6, which was 18 megapixels. So the reason I decided to go for this camera was because I wanted to get more into vlogging or recording myself. So yeah, that's why the reason I got it. And as you can see right here, it has a flip-up screen, which is useful as fuck. Like I can see myself recording right now, and like, you know, I can see that I'm in focus and stuff. Also, this camera has autofocus. As you can see, it focuses in every shot or in every angle I'm in, and that's so helpful because then with my old Rebel T6 I would have to keep pressing the shutter button in order for it to focus, and it would just take forever to focus and shot. So I'm so glad this camera has autofocus, and it just automatically focuses during the video. So basically I ended up getting this camera used. I didn't end up getting it new because I saw it at Best Buy. It was going for around 450, 500. I'm not really sure. And you know, that's pretty out of my budget. I don't have that kind of money to spend on a camera, especially that I had one at the time. So later on I started looking for cameras like on OfferUp. I don't know if you guys know that app. It's basically like a Craigslist, but like it's an actual app. So there they sell used items, anything, computers, clothes, I don't know, whatever you can think about, they sell it on there. You know, it's just people selling stuff. So I looked up a camera. I started looking for like different kinds of camera, and I was looking at the T3i, the T4i, the T5i, and then later I found a T3i, which had a 25mm pancake lens from Canon, which is it's an actual very good lens because of the bokeh. It creates the aperture, the very low aperture. So I wanted to get that one because it was $250. It had the flip-up screen. But then later I started doing some research, and I noticed that the Canons or the Rebel series doesn't have autofocus, even though it says, or like it promotes autofocus system, but it doesn't actually autofocus while video. You have to press the shutter button, which is basically the same thing as my T6. So like, what's the point? All I'm gaining is the flip-up screen, and also the mic input. I'll be able to put like, you know, the external mic. But since when I noticed that I didn't have autofocus, it was still gonna be the same problem. So I was like, I'm not going for that camera. So I started looking into more different options on YouTube and stuff. Then I found the Alpha series. As you can see, the Alpha series right there. And this is a pretty, it's like a 3-year-old camera, 4-year-old, I'm not really sure. But for real, like I'll prefer this camera than the newer versions of it, like the A6000 and stuff like that. Just because this one, the screen goes all the way up, so I'll be able to see myself. The other ones, I believe they just tilt like a little bit upwards, but not fully, because they have like now they have the little, I don't know, the little hole to look, to like take pictures and stuff. They added that onto the newer versions, so they're not able to do the flip-up screen. So, you know, I want to be able to see myself so I can see if I'm in shot, like, you know, if I'm not too high, too low, like in too far and too close. So yeah, that's why I decided to go for this one. Basically, let me show you guys my setup right now. I'm gonna record from my iPhone. So basically, this is my setup right now. As you can see, I got the Sony A5000 right there, and then I got my little ring light for mobile. It's actually for mobile, but look, it goes like right on the top of the screen, and it has a little opening for the mobile phone camera, and it works perfectly for the screen. And there I got my lighting right there, and I got my sexy brand new computer right there. So yeah, that's basically my camera right there. So I ended up finding a very good deal for this camera. I bought it for around $200, which is it's pretty good price. I looked on eBay and I was finding them for like around 300 and stuff like that. You know, a little bit lower than the retail price. So I felt like 200 was a very good price. And this camera was actually going for 400, but I was able to negotiate a little bit and bring the price actually down all the way to 200. So it's a pretty good deal. And it wasn't only the body, it actually brought the lens too, which is like a bigger bonus, because I've looked on, like, I've seen A5000 bodies go for like 250 just the body, and then, you know, it doesn't bring no lens, so it's not even usable. So this actually brought the lens and the body. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal. The only issue it didn't bring was the original charger. It brought a USB charger, as you can see right there. I'm not sure it's gonna focus, but it brought a USB charger. It still actually gets the job done, which is to charge the camera, but you are not able to transfer photos to your PC with that cable. You have to buy the original cable, which is a bummer. But the camera brings Wi-Fi, so I'm just able to transfer the pictures to my phone and then transfer it from my phone to the computer, which is gonna be good. So yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to tell you guys I got a new camera, and I actually did an unboxing video of this, but I just transferred it to my computer and then I'm not able to open it because it's a Apple file. So I made sure I changed my settings on my iPhone to record, and yeah, I think I'm good right now. So hopefully I was able to get that angle shot or showing you guys my camera. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this has been a little short video, but now I actually have a new camera that I'm able to use to record anything I want. I can use this for face cam, I can use this to record vlogs, to record me doing something in my car. I'm not gonna have to worry about focusing or like it going out of focus, because it does it automatically, which is a lifesaver. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
I'm a hot boy, oh yeah. I know I'm a shot town gangster like Al Capone. I can't stay in the same spot for too long. I'm always on the move, I'm a road.